Hello, my name is Patrick J. Tremper. I am a process associate at PeopleSource, located in San Jose, California. Today I'll be talking to you about five functions: the address function, the row and row S functions, and the column and column S functions. Now let's talk about the address function first. The address function, say that I want to specify what row a cell is in. Say row 400. Column number will be row 5. There you have it. That's the cell number for that address. So, and for my Excel basics video, those dollar signs will mean that the value is locked in place as I drag down or across. So yeah, let's look at another example of the address function. Like we want to specify, let's see the row to be row 1 million, and the column number to be 15,000. There we have it. And yes, for my count blank video, there are 1,448,576 rows inside Excel and 16,384 columns inside Excel spreadsheet. So there you have it. That's the address of row 1 million, column 15,000. Now let's talk about the row function. The row function will return the row number of a given cell. So let's see, row G16 will return 16, and then row R5 is going to return 5. And now let's talk about the row S function. The row S function will return the amount of rows inside an array. So we want to go from 35 to 55. Well, rows 35 to 55, and there you have it. There are going to be 21 rows inside that range. So and then let's do another example. Rows of from 100 to 1000. You see there are 901 rows inside that range. And now let's talk about the column function. As you may have guessed, the column function will return the column number of a cell. So let's go with the reference SX50. So X is column number 518. And let's use another example. Let's see the column of the function. Let's see YY. Let's see 52. Return 675. And now let's talk about the column S function. The column S function will return the amount of columns inside an array. You want to go from AA to ZZ, how many columns are there? There are 676 columns. Let's use another example. Let's see the amount of columns from between M and B. Well, yeah, and I can't go backwards. Doesn't matter. There are 12 columns inside Excel. There you have it. Today is this was a demonstration of address, row and row S, and column S. Thanks, and have a good day.